Yes, now students, we are doing the question of profit and loss appropriation account. So we are taking question number 13 of the book. It is a very elementary type of question, and basically it is you have to make this in the same format, profit and loss appropriation account format. So the question is that A and B are partners. A's capital is rupees 1 lakh and B's capital is 60,000. Interest on capital is payable at the rate of 6% per annum. B is to get a salary of 3,000 per month. Net profit for the year is 80,000. This is the same net profit which the firm has earned after preparing profit and loss account. Then out of this profit, the firm has to give salary to the partner, interest on capital to the partner, commission to the partner, whatever is the given, it is to be distributed among the partner, and remaining profit is to be distributed among the partners. So how to make this profit and loss appropriation? So this is profit and loss appropriation account. So this is the format. Particulars amount, okay. So now first of all, in this question we have to bring down net profit. By net profit brought down also you have to write, or you can write net profit transferred from profit and loss account, that is 80,000. हमेशा net profit credit side में लिख लेना है, ठीक है, because out of this profit whatever is to be given to the partners will be written here, क्योंकि इसी प्रॉफिट में से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे जो भी पार्टनर को देना होगा, और जो भी देना होगा वो हम डेबिट में लिखेंगे, जो कि है सब इस क्वेश्चन में है टू इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, ओके, which is to be divided between A and B, means which is to be given to A and B. A का इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल निकालना है और B का इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल निकालना है. अब निकालेंगे कैसे, उसके लिए नीचे आ जाओ वर्किंग नोट में. नाउ सी द वर्किंग नोट. वर्किंग नोट, that is IOC of A, which is 1 lakh into 6 by 100 into 6 by 100 only, because this whole interest will be calculated for so the interest on capital is, that is 6,000, and interest on capital of B was 60,000 into 6 by 100, which is for full year. Again full year interest will be calculated, because no date is given, means you have to calculate it for full year. So 3600. So here you have to write 6,000 and 3600. Here you have to write A's capital. Basically you have to write A's capital, because it will be transferred to their capital account. Whatever will be given to the partners will show it in their capital account. So 9,600 you have to write here, interest on capital. The next, salary you have to give to salary of B. So you have to write B's capital that is salary of B. Salary of B is how much it is given in the working note. See, salary of B 3000 per month. So 3000 into this appropriation we are preparing at the end of the month, end of the year. So we have to make it for, we have to calculate for 12 months. So 12 3 the 36,000 will be the salary of B. So 36,000 is the salary of B. Now after totaling both the sides, that is 80,000 here 80,000, and here it is around 45,600, which will be deducted from 80,000, which will be around 34,400. To A's capital and B's capital you have to write. This is the profit on appropriation, which is directly divided between the partners. So as profit sharing ratio is not given, always take it as equal share, 1:1. So 34,400 divided by 2, that is 17,200 is the profit of each partner. So now it is 80,000 total both the sides. So in this way you have to make profit and loss appropriation.